Sexuality is an important part of life, and it can be difficult for men to understand women and their intimate secrets. Women can often feel that they need to keep certain things hidden to protect their own pride and to avoid any potential drama. Let's take a look at 10 intimate secrets that women usually hide from men. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any information, and already subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell so you don't miss any videos. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will discover 10 intimate secrets that women usually hide from you. 1. Women feel pressure to perform. Women can often feel pressure to perform when it comes to the act. They may feel that they need to please their partners without any regard for their own desires. This pressure can lead to feelings of insecurity and fear of not being good enough in bed. Women may try to hide these feelings from men to protect their own pride. 2. Women have apex problems. Many women have trouble being proud during the act, and this can be a difficult secret to hide from their partners. Women may feel embarrassed or ashamed that they cannot achieve apex, and may try to hide it from their partners in order to protect their own pride. 3. Women feel uncomfortable with certain intimate acts. Women can sometimes feel uncomfortable or embarrassed when it comes to certain intimate acts. This may be due to body image issues, lack of knowledge, or simply not feeling comfortable in certain positions. Women may be hesitant to express these feelings to their partners, as they may fear that they will not be taken seriously. 4. Women are self-conscious about their bodies. Many women are self-conscious about their bodies during the act and may feel that they need to hide this feeling from their partners. Women may often feel ashamed of their body shape or size, and may fear that their partners will not find them attractive. Women may try to hide these feelings to maintain their own pride. 5. Women prefer certain intimate acts. Women often have certain intimate acts that they prefer more than others, but may be too embarrassed or shy to express them to their partners. Women may feel that they need to act in a more conservative way to please the men in their lives. 6. Women are afraid to speak out. Women may often feel that they are not free to express their wants and needs when it comes to the act. They may be afraid of being judged or seen as too demanding, and so may choose to keep their feelings hidden. 7. Women feel unattractive during the act. Women can often feel unattractive during the act due to body image issues and insecurities. This can lead to feelings of shame and embarrassment, which they may try to keep hidden from their partners. Women may feel that they need to maintain a certain level of physical attractiveness in order to please men. Before going on to the next topic, please leave a like. And then, did you? Then let's move on to the next topic. 8. Women feel as if they have to pretend. Many women feel like they have to fake apexes to please their partners. This can lead to feelings of shame and guilt, which women may hide from their partners in order to protect their own pride. 9. Women feel that men don't care about their pleasure. Women can often feel that men don't really care about their pleasure during the act, and that their partners are only focused on their own gratification. This can lead to feelings of frustration and resentment, which women may hesitate to express to their partners. 10. Women feel that they need to act in a certain way. Women can often feel that they need to act a certain way in order to please men. This can lead to feelings of insecurity and the fear of not being attractive or desirable enough. Women may be hesitant to express these feelings to men, as they may fear that they will not be taken seriously. We have come to the end of another video. If you already know any of these secrets, please comment here below. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like and see you in the next video.